Kamal has written to us, what charges are deducted from investors at various stages under the heads of expense ratio, entry charges, management fee, exit load, including all hidden charges?
Uh, Mutual funds are relatively clear in when it comes to, in the last 2 3 years, SEBI has cleaned up. That doesn't mean the costs are coming down. Costs are high, but there is no hidden charge. There is a single charge generally, possibly two charge. If you invest in a mutual fund, there is an all-inclusive expense ratio. The charge that you see as expense ratio, and this expense ratio can vary for the regular plan and the direct plan.
And what percentage is that?
It could range for equity fund, it could be 2.5%,
Okay.
and for the direct plan of the same equity fund, it could be 55.5% to 75 basis points less.
Okay.
So it could be 1.75% for the direct plan, 2.5% for the regular plan. It is substantially lower in case of debt funds, and that is the all-inclusive charge. Then there is the exit load. Of course, this expense ratio that gets reported every 6 months generally. They also take into account this 2.5% plus GST,
Okay.
plus there is a B15
Okay.
incentive which is which is factored in. So for a very small fund it can well go up to 3%, but the fund company actually charges up to 2.65, based on the other levies that is possible. But it's a clean single charge. That includes the management fee, that includes the sales expenses, that includes the operating expenses, the registrar fee, the custodian fee.
Okay.
These are the 4 5 broad heads for which, but there's a single charge. Then there is the exit load. If you redeem your investments before 1 year in case of equity fund, and the time period can vary for various other funds. For debt fund, it could be, for liquid funds do not have any exit
Right.
load.
Right.
For any, they're planned as something, as a overnight investments as well. But other funds, other kind of debt fund, they can have for exit load for investments of less than 1 month, 3 months, and so on and so forth. So there could be a complex exit load structure. But exit load gets back into the mutual fund. It is not an earning for the fund company. A single charge for the fund company on account of managed expense fee. The exit load gets into the fund itself. So it actually benefits other investors in the same fund.